Welcome to CampusBox Online Exam Solution. First, we will discuss the benefits of solution. First, it saves money. No need to incur cost in printing bundles of exam paper, answer sheets, and recruiting costly teachers. Second, it saves precious time. No need to spend countless hours in manually checking and marking question papers. Third, it gives you flexibility to change marking schemes, question levels, etc. Now I am showing you the examination solution from student panel. Here you will find the dashboard in which there is overall performance of students regarding correct answers, wrong answers, not answered questions. Then you will find quiz categories where different types of quiz are available. Here, by clicking on quizzes, the availability test for students will be displayed. The duration, category, type, total questions all will be displayed here. On clicking take exam will take you to the instruction master, and then by clicking on start exam, examination will start. Multi-language option is there for students. So schools can set question paper in both languages, English as well as Hindi, and according to that the questions and answers will come as shown here. The hint feature is also available, which displays hints connected with question asked by teachers, if any. The timer for exam starts with exam, and exam is automatically submitted once the timer gets over or students click finish button. The summary associated with exam about answered, marked, not answered, visited, not visited question will be shown here. Examiner may set different patterns of questions like single answers, multiple type answers, paragraph based questions, fill in the blanks, match the following, etc. By clicking on finish, the system will re-verify for submitting the exam. On clicking OK, the summary sheet of score, percentage and result will be shown. Also, the correct, wrong, not correct answers will be shown here. Complete answer key with explanations and marked answer in blue color, while correct answer in green color will be shown here to the students. Master settings, which can be set by the administrator. Unlimited number of students, teacher, parent IDs can be created. Unlimited exam sets with multiple language supports can be created. Option to set different marking schemes, positive, negative is available. Option to categorize question levels like easy, hard, medium is also available. Excel import functionality for question and answer, which save countless hours for typing the exam sets. Option to set date settings for which test will be available for students. Notification and feedback feature is also available. This is the list of some common features which I have shared with you. You can see complete demo by clicking or by calling on 789107750 or calling any CampusBox technical team. Thank you.